Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the True Strength Index, TSI, a momentum oscillator that can refine your trading strategy. We'll discuss what TSI is, how to set it up in TradingView, the best settings for different timeframes, interpreting buy and sell signals, combining TSI with other indicators, and essential risk management tips. What is the True Strength Index? The True Strength Index, TSI, measures the underlying momentum of an asset by using a double smooth moving average of price changes. This indicator helps traders identify trends, reversals, and overbought or oversold conditions, providing valuable insights into market dynamics. Setting up the True Strength Index in TradingView. Here's how you can set up TSI in TradingView. Open TradingView and select your chart. Click on the Indicators button at the top. Type True Strength Index in the search bar and select it. The TSI indicator will now appear on your chart with default settings. Best settings for TSI. The optimal settings for TSI depend on your trading style and the market's volatility. For short-term trading, day trading, or scalping, use settings like 14 and 7 to make the TSI more responsive. For long-term trading, swing trading, or investing, stick to the default 25 and 13 for a smoother and more reliable signal. Interpreting buy and sell signals. A buy signal occurs when the TSI crosses above the signal line or exits an oversold condition, and sell signal happens when the TSI crosses below the signal line or exits an overbought condition. Divergences between TSI and price action can also indicate potential reversals. For instance, a bullish divergence happens when price forms lower lows while TSI forms higher lows, suggesting weakening bearish momentum. Combining TSI with other indicators. For more reliable signals, combine TSI with other indicators. For example, pairing TSI with Bollinger Bands can enhance your strategy. Use TSI to identify momentum. Use Bollinger Bands to gauge price levels and volatility. If TSI reaches the upper band, it might signal an overbought condition, while approaching the lower band could indicate oversold conditions. Risk management. Effective risk management is crucial. Always use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. For example, set a stop-loss below the recent swing low when buying or above the recent swing high when selling. Proper position sizing based on your risk tolerance and asset volatility is also essential. That's it for the True Strength Index. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. For more in-depth information, visit our website brokercheck.co.za. Thanks for watching and happy trading.